Good day, everyone. Welcome to our channel where we explore the fascinating world of technology. Today, we're venturing into a realm where the lines between human ingenuity and artificial intelligence blur, the creative industry. Over the past few years, we've seen AI begin to infiltrate this space, sparking both excitement and apprehension. It's a digital renaissance of sorts, with AI not just emulating human creativity, but also enhancing it in ways we never thought possible. From music production to graphic design, from content writing to film editing, AI is gradually transforming the creative process. It's revolutionizing the way we create, the way we perceive art, and the way we engage with it. But what does this mean for artists, for creatives, for us? And how is AI reshaping creativity and content generation? These are the questions we'll be exploring in this video, so stay tuned as we delve into how AI is reshaping creativity and content generation. One of the most exciting applications of AI in the creative industry is in content generation. Imagine for a moment a world where scripts for your favorite shows, articles for your daily news consumption, or even the lyrics to the latest pop song are generated not by human minds but by artificial intelligence. That reality is closer than you might think. Artificial intelligence, or AI, is increasingly being used to generate content across various platforms. From writing scripts for commercials to crafting news articles and even composing music, AI is becoming a creative force to be reckoned with. Take OpenAI's GPT-3 for instance. This is a language prediction model that uses machine learning to produce human-like text. It can write essays, answer questions, translate languages, and even generate creative fiction. It's like having an incredibly talented, multilingual writer at your disposal 24/7. But it doesn't stop at writing. AI is also making waves in the music industry. Amper Music, for example, is an AI composer that can create unique, professional-grade music in seconds. Imagine having the power to generate an original score for your film or a catchy jingle for your ad campaign at the click of a button. These are just a couple of examples, but the potential applications are vast. AI can be used to generate content for social media posts, marketing campaigns, video games, and much more. Of course, it's important to note that AI isn't here to replace human creativity. Instead, it's a tool that can help us generate new ideas, streamline the creative process, and explore avenues that might not have been possible before. In essence, AI is becoming a creative partner, rather than a replacement. It's a collaborator that can work alongside us to bring our creative visions to life. Indeed, AI is proving to be a game-changer in content generation. The possibilities are endless, and we are just scratching the surface of what AI can achieve in the realm of content creation. As we move forward, it's exciting to think about how this technology will continue to evolve and shape the creative industry. Apart from content generation, AI is also making waves in the realm of interactivity. We're not just talking about a few ripples here, but a tidal wave of change that's transforming the way we engage with the digital world. Let's take a look at gaming first, a domain where AI has been a game changer, quite literally. AI is now at the heart of game development, creating characters with complex behaviors that adapt to a player's actions. These AI-driven characters don't just follow a script. They learn, evolve, and react, creating a dynamic gaming experience that's unique to each player. And then, there's virtual reality, or VR as it's more commonly known. Here, AI breathes life into virtual landscapes, creating immersive worlds that react to a user's presence and actions. The result is a hyper-realistic experience that blurs the boundary between the digital and the real. AI isn't just creating experiences, it's personalizing them. Using data about a user's preferences and behaviors, AI can tailor content to meet individual needs. This could be anything from recommending a movie you might like, to adjusting the difficulty level of a game based on your skill level. Even social media platforms are harnessing the power of AI to enhance interactivity. Algorithms analyze your likes, shares, and comments to curate a feed that's unique to you. So, whether you're a cat lover or a car enthusiast, you're sure to find content that piques your interest. But what's truly fascinating is how AI is pushing the boundaries of interactivity. Imagine a future where you can have a conversation with a virtual assistant that's indistinguishable from a human, or where you can step into a virtual world that evolves based on your actions. These are not distant dreams, but realities being shaped by AI. Through AI, interactivity in the creative industry is reaching new heights. It's not just about creating content anymore. It's about creating experiences that are as unique as the people who engage with them. And that, my friends, is the true power of AI in interactivity. The advent of AI in the creative industry is not without its impact. AI has certainly brought a wave of change to the creative industry, and it's worth discussing both the positive and negative impacts of this transformation. On the bright side, AI technologies have significantly increased efficiency. By automating repetitive tasks, artists now have more time to focus on the conceptual side of their work, giving birth to new forms of art. Take, for instance, the AI-generated paintings that have been making waves in the art world. These pieces of art, created with the help of AI algorithms, challenge our traditional definition of creativity and open up a whole new frontier for artistic expression. AI has also allowed for personalized user experiences. In the world of music and film, AI algorithms can analyze user behavior and preferences to recommend tailor-made content. This personalization has not only transformed the way we consume art, but it's also given creators a better understanding of their audience, allowing them to create content that resonates more deeply with their viewers or listeners. However, with these opportunities come challenges. One of the major concerns is job displacement. As AI technologies become more advanced, there's a fear that they could replace human artists. But it's important to remember that while AI can mimic certain aspects of creativity, it cannot replace the human touch, the emotions, and the unique perspective that human artists bring to their work. Moreover, there are ethical considerations to take into account. When AI creates art, who owns the rights to that art? The programmer who designed the AI itself? These are questions that we are still grappling with. In conclusion, like any technology, AI brings about both opportunities and challenges in the creative industry. It's a tool that, when used correctly, can enhance our creativity and open up new possibilities. But it's also a force that we need to navigate with care, taking into account its potential implications on jobs and ethics. Like any technology, AI brings about both opportunities and challenges in the creative industry. As we look to the future, one thing is clear: AI will continue to play a significant role in the creative industry. How so, you may ask? Let's dive in. Imagine a world where AI-generated content transcends the boundaries of what we currently perceive. We're not just talking about AI writing an article or painting a picture. We're talking about AI creating multidimensional art experiences that engage all our senses, or producing films from scratch, complete with developed characters, intricate plot lines, and stunning visuals. Let's take music, for example. AI could compose symphonies that rival those of the great maestros, or create entirely new genres that we can't even fathom today. It might be able to analyze our mood and create personalized songs on the spot, making every listening experience unique. And it's not just about content generation, it's about interactivity too. Future AI technologies could provide even more immersive interactive experiences. Imagine virtual reality worlds designed by AI, tailored to our preferences and constantly adapting to our actions. Or consider interactive storytelling, where the AI author changes the narrative in real time based on our reactions. Furthermore, AI could play a pivotal role in democratizing the creative industry. It could make high-quality content creation accessible to everyone, regardless of their skill level or resources. With AI's help, anyone could become a filmmaker, a painter, or a musician. But it's important to remember that AI is a tool, not a replacement for human creativity. It can help us push the boundaries of what's possible, but the original spark, the inspiration, the emotion, that's uniquely human. As we move forward, it will be crucial to strike a balance between leveraging AI's capabilities and preserving the human touch in our creative endeavors. It's a brave new world out there, and we're just scratching the surface of what's possible. The future of the creative industry with AI is indeed promising and full of exciting possibilities. As we conclude our exploration of AI in the creative sphere, it's evident that this technology is here to stay. We've seen how AI is revolutionizing content generation, making it easier and more efficient to create diverse and engaging content. It's also playing a pivotal role in enhancing interactivity, helping us to create more immersive and personalized experiences. The impact of AI on the creative industry is profound. It's not just changing the way we create, but also how we perceive and experience creativity. And as we look into the future, we see an industry that continues to evolve, driven by AI's transformative power. This journey has been fascinating, hasn't it? The intersection of AI and creativity is a field that's ripe with potential. But remember, it's up to us to harness this potential and shape the future of creativity. Thank you for joining us in this journey into AI and creativity. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content on technology. Until next time, keep exploring.